Hello, welcome to P.A.C. Today I am going to teach you about the Newton's laws. First, it is important to know who was Isaac Newton. He was born on January 4, 1643 in the United Kingdom and died on March 31, 1727 in London. Newton was an English physicist and mathematician of the 17th and 18th centuries. He had a complicated childhood because 3 months before her birth, her father died, and at 3 years old, her mother left her in charge of her grandparents when her new husband refused to raise a stepson. During his youth, he was an introverted child with few friendships and with little interest in his studies, although he was not lacking in intelligence, curiosity, and imagination. He is mainly known for established the basis of classical mechanics through its 3 laws of motion and its law of universal gravitation. To develop the integral and differential calculus simultaneously and without the help of Gottfried Leibniz. And to discover that white light is composed of the set of all colors. The first law says that every object in a state of uniform motion tends to remain in that state of motion unless an external force is applied to it. This we recognize as essentially Galileo's concept of inertia, and this is often termed simply the law of inertia. In the example, we can see how the constant speed when being interrupted generates that the man exits the car. The explanation is simple. Acceleration is equal to force on mass, so if the force is 0, there is not acceleration. The second law gives us an exact relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. It can be expressed as a mathematical equation. Force equals mass multiplied by acceleration. Example: Mike's car, which weighed 1,000 kilograms, is out of gas. Mike is trying to push the car to a gas station, and he makes the car go 0.05 meters per second per second. You know that force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration, so we have to multiply 1,000 by 0.05. So the force that Mike is applying is of 50 newtons. Using Newton's second law, you can compute how much force Mike is applying to the car. The third law says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, like we can see in the picture. In the example, we can see how a rocket works. So the rocket's action is to push down on the ground with the force of its powerful ignite, and the reaction is that the ground pushes the rocket upwards with an equal force. This means that for every force there is a reaction force that is equal in size but opposite in direction. And that was all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it has served you, and we will see us in the next.